Uh, Hello everyone. Today let's start our day 11 of data science live today. Okay. So uh, in this uh, in this we were doing our use case that is grocery sales forecasting. Okay. So in our yesterday video, what we have done till now, we downloaded this data set, okay, and it our data set is in zip format, so we unzip our data set using these commands, okay, and we since the size of our data set is very big, so what we did, we used a virtual machine on GCP for working because we need more memory, and in Colab we generally get 12 GB of memory. So what we did, we created one virtual. So after creating that, we have started our virtual machine, and then we have done SSH to our GCP virtual machine and start coding in VS Code. Okay. I am comfortable with VS Code, so you can use cursor and whatever you want. Okay. So our data is stored in Rahul and sales forecasting folder. So there is the sales forecasting folder. And we click here, you can see that all the files are available here. Okay. So if you are like downloading data for the first time, then you need to run this command. Otherwise, I have commented this out. We have activated our virtual environment. Um, Here, okay. So we second, and so actually the name of our virtual environment is MX. We have activated our virtual environment to terminal. Okay. And now we have imported by pandas and create the list of files available. Okay, so these are all the files. Then we have imported some other libraries, like from date type we have imported date and time data. For cleaning we have imported garbage collection GC. Then for our model, for checking the performance, we have imported a mean squared error. And then for handling categorical columns, we have included a label encoder from sklearn.preprocessing. And we are using light GPM in this use case. Okay. So now what we did, we start reading our files one by one. So first of all, we have read um, train file. So for this, we read CSV file into DF train. Okay, and then we so this we provide PD dot read CSV, then the path of CSV file, and we we use columns to select which columns we want to read. So one, two, three, four, five columns we are going to use. And then for on promotion, we set a data type as Boolean. So with the help of a data type on promotion Boolean, then we convert our unit sale using log 1p because sales data is generally skewed data. Okay, so sometimes we have very high values, sometimes we have very low values, and if sometimes someone has done any return, then that will be a negative answer here. Okay, so so in converters we mention unit sales equal to lambda u np dot log 1p. Okay, and float u. If float u is greater than 0, else 0. If our sales value is greater than 0, we will do log 1p transformation, and otherwise we will keep our value as 0. Okay. And date column is also there, so we parse that date column to date time format. So parse dates, we provide date column, and we are skipping those which are before means if our data is very old, we are not taking that data because that will be very helpful. So we are skipping those till this value. Okay. So we have done this also. After this, we have like seen our data DF train. So it is like date column, store number, item number, and unit sale. Okay, for this particular date in this store, and item, the sale of this item is this much. And is it on promotion or not? It is mentioned here. So this is our train data. Then it is the info of the data. So this is all. Now we just for our information, we see that how much is the range of date in our data. So we just do date min and date max. So we can see our data is from 1st January 2016 to 15th of August 2017. Okay. Uh, After this, we read test CSV file. Okay. So and select columns using use columns, and on promotion type we set as boolean. Okay, and part date column as date type, and in this test data we set store number, item number, and date as index. Okay, so df test equal to pd.csv, then path of the CSV file. Then in use columns, we have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the type on promotion will be Boolean. Okay. And parse dates is date column. And that index will be the store number, item number, and date. So this will be the index. So we run this. Then if we see df test dot head and df test dot info, so this is store and then item number, date, and this is the ID. Okay, and all permission. And dot info, only two columns are showing because these are indexed now. So now we have read our test data also. Then we read item CSV files into items. So items equal to ed.read CSV and path of the CSV file, and we set index as item number. Okay, so we run this, and if we see this data, here we have item number, then family, class, and perishable. Family is like is it grocery or cleaning or bread and bakery, and then class. This is related to item. Then we for just for our information we checked that how many unique family are there. They are 30. Okay. Now we read item CSV into scores. Okay, so it should not be items. It should be scores. So we read scores CSV file into scores. So scores equal to pd.read CSV and then the path of the store file and a set index as store number. Then show the so this is the store number index. This is city, state, type, and cluster. Okay. So now then we handled our categorical data. So we created label encoder and stored in LE. Okay, so LE is label encoder. Then we encode items in family column, okay, using LE. And it stores city column, it stores state column, and it stores type column. Is city, state, and type columns. We did items family le dot fit transform item family dot values. Okay, and in the same way we have done for other three columns also. Just to do this also. Okay. Now filter rows from a DF train where data is from 2017 and stored in the DF 2017. So here also what we have done, we have taken data with belongs to 2017 uh, and store that into DF 2017 for train. Okay, and we deleted the rest of the data. So DF17 DF train. We for this we use log function. Okay, log DF train dot date. Okay, so DF train dot log and DF train dot date is greater than equal to PD dot timestamp, and this is the timestamps. And then we have printed some of the rows and then deleted the this DF train. Okay, so we have done this also. Then after this, we create promo 2017 frame, okay, from our DF sub 17 using score number, item number, and date as index. Okay, and select all promotion columns from promo 2017 frame. So for our this data set, we have selected only on promotion column. Okay. And after selecting this, we have unstacked this data frame by date label to make it in like long format, wide format. So what happened that all the date in the date column will come as new columns each week. Okay, and then fill missing From 2017 train values will false. And wherever this is in the promotion value missing, we mention that it means that there was there is no promotion. So we mention that will false. Okay. So remove 2017 train, then DF 2017 dot set index. So index will be store number, item number, comma date, then on promotion. So on promotion and then on step on the date level. So on promotion on step -1 because date is last -1 and will any will be false. Okay. So date is store item and date will be index and on promotion in on stack and we have done stacking on date column. Okay. So, it Chrome 2017 train dot head to Manham index equal to also it will show this on this. It has run successfully. Just a second. Okay. So for now, here we have stored item number, date, and on promotion. Okay. So, like this, we have. Then, if we want to see the columns, so it will be showing like this. Okay, so these are the columns. These are the columns. Okay, so it is just telling that this data frame which we have created, it is just telling that for this timestamp promotion is there or not. Okay. So after this, what we have done, we update Chrome 2017 train column using date label values. Okay. So this column name we have converted to this date label. Then we after this Chrome train we created Chrome 2017 test. Okay, from our test data frame, DF test, using on promotion column and unstep promo 2017 test by date label. Fill missing values with false, same which we have done with train train actually. Then update Chromo 2017 test column using date label values. After that, we re-index Chromo 2017 test using Chromo 2017 train index. Okay. So after that, we just re-index test using train. Then fill missing Chromo 2017 test values with false. And then we concatenate Chromo 2017 train and test into Chromo 2017. And once it is created, Chrome 2017, we don't need this 2017 train and test. So we delete these two data frames. So Chrome 2017 train dot columns equal to Chrome 2017 train dot columns dot get label values, and then it's one because zero is automation and one is cancel. So we get it one. Okay, so we will on permission to bring dot column dot show get values, and then Promo 2017 test will be DF test on permission and unstep at date -1 and fill any with false. After that, we set this date value to 2017 test dot columns equal to 2017 test dot columns dot get label values. Okay. We've done this. Now, Promo 2017 test. Like we said, we are re-indexing Chrome 2017 test using Chrome 2017 train index. So Chrome 2017 test equal to test dot re-index and on the basis of train. So Chrome 2017 train dot index and will any will be false. Then we concatenate these two. So Chrome 2017 equal to PD dot concat promo 2017 train and promo 2017 test and X will be this. So then after concatenating this and making new uh, data frame promo 2017, we will delete these two. Okay, train and test. So if we in access, if we provide zero here, it will add increase rules, and if we provide one here, it will increase columns. It this then we will see not anything. So yes, there are 23 columns now. Now we create a DF 2017 using store number, item numbers, and date as index. So what we have done, then select unit, then select unit sales column for DF 2017 and unstacked. So previously we are doing on promotion, at this time we are doing for unit sales. Okay, and same thing, and then fill missing data frame, missing in DF 2017 values with a 0. Here we fill with false and update DF 2017 columns using date label values. So DF 2017 equal to DF 2017 dot set index. And in this we will mention store number, item number, and date. Then unit sales uh, dot on stack label -1 and fill any will be 0. Okay. And TF uh, DF 2017 columns will be DF 2017 dot columns dot cat label value 1. Okay. So we have taken label 1 and then rename the column. So DF 2017. Okay. Now we re-index items using item number value from DF 2017 index and re-index store using store number values from DF 2017 index. So here what we did for items, we did write items dot re-index to DF 2017 dot index and get get label values will be 1. So we re-index items from using the item number values from this data frame DF 2017 index and re-index store using store dot re-index using DF 2017 store store number. Okay, so like this we have re-indexed both items and stores. Now now promo 2017 columns. So if we see the columns promo 2017, it will be like this. Okay. After this, what we have done, we group DF 2017 by item number and calculate sum of date columns. We have group 2017 by item number and calculate the sum of date columns. So DF 2017 dot group by item number and DF 2017 dot columns dot sum and store result in DF 2017 item. and we then group DF 2017 by item number, by promo, by item number and calculate sum of date columns. And store the result in promo 2017 item. So DF 2017 item is on DF 2017 dot group by item number and DF 2017 dot columns uh, dot sum. And for promo 2017 item, we have done promo 2017 dot group by item number and promo 2017 dot columns dot sum. Then we print promo 2017 item dot add. If we see, we see the first five rules of promo 2017 item. We uh, can see that here this item number and this is date columns. Like this, our data set is created. Now we need to reset index of TF 2017 and store in TF 2017 store class. So we just reindex it and store it in store class and add item class values to TF 2017 store class. So we will take values from item class column and store in DF 2017 store class. So DF 2017 store class and items class dot values. Then we will select class and store number columns and store in this store class in this. So DF 2017 store class and the class and store. So it will be store class units. And in the last, we group the F17 store class by class and store number and calculate sum of date column. So store class dot group by class and store number and then calculate the sum of date columns. Okay, like this, we have done. Then we reset index of we reset index of promo 2017. We reset index of 2017 and store in DF 2017 promo store class. Okay. We reset index 2017 and store in promo store class. After that, just a second. Just second. I am checking the reset index of Promo 2017. Okay. So Raja Sitta is asking, hi bro, I am new to IT sector. I want to learn data science. We reset index from scratch. Can you 2017 and store in just a minute. DF 2017 add my promo store class. Okay. We reset index 2017 and store in promo store class. After that, just a second, I will remove window add this. Just second. Okay. So I hope now you can see my display. So he is asking that he is so you just need to you can follow my I am checking I'm loading series reset index of Promo 2017 and okay. So Raja Sitta is asking, hi bro, I am new to IT sector. I want to learn data science. We reset index from scratch. Can you 2017 and store in just a minute. DF 2017 add my promo store class. Try to cover reset index 2017 and store in promo store class. After that documentation, just a second. What? Yes, I will remove into video add to the list. Just a second, you can do this. Okay. So basically, you can follow my live coding series and try to cover this clip. So he is asking that he is so you just documentation or some video tutorial. Okay. TF 2017 add my promo you can store class. Try to cover reset index 2017 and store in promo store class. After that documentation, just a second. What? Yes, I will here we are. So reset the index of promo 2017 and store second year 2017 so basically you can follow my live coding series and last values cover this DF 2017 he is asking that he is so you just documentation or some and score number for this TF 2017 add my promo you can store class try to cover reset index 2017 and store class index. Store class. So we select class documentation. Just a second. Store number columns. So we selected these two columns. Here we are. So reset the index of promo 2017. TF store second 2017 class index. So basically, you can follow my live coding series and last values cover and this week. DF 2017, he is asking that he is so you just documentation or some and video number for this class. DF 2017 add my promo you can store class try to cover reset index 2017 and store class index store class. So we select after that documentation. Just a second. Store class number and then group by we selected these two columns. Here we
Class
are
and
to
store number
read
set
index of
in
Promo
Windows.
2017.
Save it
Df
in
store
second,
2017
class
dot
index.
so basically you can
For my live
coding
series
series
and
and
large
like
values
store
save and screen.
this read Df 2017. He is asking that he
Class
is so you have to just select
save it in
is to
second,
class
class index.
so basically you can for my live coding series and large values
Save and screen.
this read
Now
Df 2017. He is asking that he is so you have to just
find
select
get time is
Df
If it shows
is
today
to
we are
second
class
class
index.
so
Define
basically
function
you
that
can for my live
get time span
coding series and large values
save and
then
screen.
this we
Now
Df
minus
17
dates
he is
and
asking that he is so you have to just
find
select
date range get time is PT. If it
Df
shows
is
today
to
we are
second class
index.
so
Select define
basically you can for my live
date and select date time span
coding series and large values
then
this we
now
Df
minus
17
dates
he is asking that he is so you have to just
find
select
date range get time is PT. If it
Df
shows
is
today
to
we are
second class
index.
so
Select time
basically
span
you can for my live
PF date dt minus period and frequency will be d and select date time span will return
coding
df
series and large values
then
this we
now
Df
selected
17 he
dates
is
and
asking that he is so you have to just
find
select
date range time is dt
Df is to second class so
select time
basically
span
you can for my live
df date dt minus period and frequency will be d and select date time span will return
coding
df
series and large values
then
this we
now
Df
selected
17 he is asking that he is so you have to just
date range time is dt
Df is to second class
select time
basically
span
you can for my live
df okay after this periods then frequency will be sorry periods will be periods and frequency will be frequency. Okay. So we will run this function date range dt minus time data days will be minus periods equal to periods and frequency will be frequency. So just run this again. Now we define function prepare data set uh, with df promo df t 2017 is train and name graphics and create a feature dictionary and store in X. Then we add promo for summary features for past and future promotion windows. Okay. So let's start defining function depth. The name will be prepare data set. Def prepare data set df then promo df then t 2017 then is train will be true and name prefix will be null. Okay. Now we will create a feature dictionary. So first, we will take promo 14 2017. Here, get time and promo here 2017 14 dot sum access will be on my zone one and then what values. And we have promo 2016 2017. Get time is spent promo here 2017 60 160 dot sum x is equal to 1 dot values. Then we have promo 140 and 17. Get times n promo here 2017 dot 140 sum x will be 1 dot values. And then we have promo 3 2017 after promo 3 2017 and after 15 and times 10 promo here 2017 time delta is 16 comma 15 comma 3 for some x is equal to 1 for values. Okay. Then we have promo 7 2017 after get time spent DF 2017 plus and delta days will be 16, 15, 7 and access 1 dot values. And we have 14 and get time spent to TFT 2017 time delta days comma in comma 14 dot sum axis will be 1 dot values. Okay. So like this we have created uh, axis and feature dictionary. Then add new summary features for past and future promotion. Then what we are supposed to do, create a new what time window 3, 7, 40, 30, 60, and 140. Then get sales time spent for DF and store in temp 1. Then get promotion time spent from promo DF and store in temp 2. After that, create promotion sales in features in X. Create promotion sales decay feature in X. Create a non-promotion sales main feature in X. Create non-promotion sales decay features in X. So let's do this. For looping, we will use for loop for I in D 7 D 30 60 and 140. Can you get sales time spam from DF and store in temp1. So temp1 is get time spam DF P 2017 comma A. Okay, for I. When it will loop for the first time, it will take 3, so the values will be 3 in both. Then temp2, so get promotion time spam from promo DF and store in temp2. Get time span promo DF 2017 I, will be greater than 0 and multiply by 1. So now, now as mean and percentage as percentage I am one two am two dot MP dot NAL Excel will be what we are doing. We are running toward time window 3, 7, 14, 30, 60, and 140. Then get sales time spent or PF and store in time fund. Then get promotion time spent from PF and store in tab 2. Then create is feature index.